Alright, what's going on, guys? Today's video gonna to teach you guys how to build your own fucking AirPods. First of all, you need this fucking the AirPods with wire, and then you need a fucking AirPods case. And the third, you need the fucking scissor. Alright, let's get this shit. Fucking oh Jesus, fuck this shit. Got the AirPods. Fucking cut it off. Ah shit, wonderful. Now you got the fucking AirPods. They don't fall off. Rich, eh? Then you got the fucking AirPods case. You see that? Put that shit in, eh? Now you got the fucking AirPods. Alright. Pretty fucking awesome. That's the end of the video. See you guys next video. Peace out.